asking me, Brenda, what makes Windows Virtual Desktop so great? I'm just kidding. Nobody ever asked me that, but it's an amazing question. Windows Virtual Desktop is a Microsoft platform that's hosted in Azure and it's managed by Microsoft. Let's take a look at Windows Virtual Desktop versus Remote Desktop Services, which is also from Microsoft. To deploy Remote Desktop Services, you're going to need licensing. Licensing for Office, licensing for Remote Desktop Services, and if you're running it on-premise, you're going to need to properly license all your servers. Really expensive, pretty complicated. Once you have all your licensing, you're going to have to build your very own platform. That means gateways, remote session hosts, connection brokers, load balancers. And once you've built all those, you get to manage them, update them, and maintain them every single day for the rest of your life. Okay, so let's say you do it. You've worked day and night, you've done everything, and you've met expectations, you've exceeded expectations. You're the hero, right? Everyone is just so grateful, right? Wrong. The only thing anyone ever notices is the user experience. And the UX with RDS is really difficult and very confusing. So your users are actually not happy at all. That means you're not happy. And that basically means that nobody is happy. So how would this look if you decided to use Windows Virtual Desktop? Well, first of all, licensing, so much easier. In fact, if you're using M365 today, there's a pretty good chance that you already have Windows Virtual Desktop rights included in your license. And then all this other stuff. All of this stuff, not your problem. Microsoft's problem. It's all managed by Microsoft and it's hosted in Azure. So you don't have to deal with it. You don't have to deal with the platform. Platform as a service. Not your platform, not your problem. And there's another bonus, which is enhanced app compatibility. Even your crustiest apps get Microsoft support. What about the user experience? Okay, think about this. Single sign-on from any device, you're running any OS, or any browser, and your users sign in to an interface that is very familiar to them and is really simple to use because it's just like their actual desktop. So, are you a managed service provider looking to grow your Azure practice? Or are you thinking about rolling Windows Virtual Desktop out to your company? If either of these are you, then you've come to exactly the right place because Insight's professional services team is a recognized industry leader when it comes to Microsoft and Windows Virtual Desktop in particular. So reach out to me and I'll help you. My name is Brenda and I work at Insight Canada.